The National Aquarium of New Zealand stretches along Napier's marine parade like a huge stingray. It's home to a wide range of saltwater, freshwater, and land animal exhibits from New Zealand and around the world. It is a great place for families, with daily oceanarium diver hand feeding, and little penguins feeding 3 times a day. Audio Workshop upgraded the old failing audio system, with new digital amplifiers and DSP processing and control. The aquarium houses 2 unique event spaces. First, the Function Room, East Coast Lab. And secondly, the Exhibition Hall, Oceanarium, with its living backdrop of the Pania Reef Tank and Oceanarium Tunnel. Both event spaces are controlled with a wall controller and come equipped with projector, auxiliary input, lectern mic, and wireless microphones. Senior technician Dave explains how the controller works.
This is the iPad that can pretty much control the entire building. So right now what we're looking at here is the full controls for the Oceanarium. So from here we can actually turn on the projector, select the media source, and change all the music sources volumes here, mute and unmute them. You can see what's muted here and what is unmuted. You can see when it's going, it's got this cool symbol, and when it's stopped, it's got the X, and when we push on there, hello, she's on again. So that's all good. So that's for the Oceanarium, and then down here is the exact same controls, but you are looking at the East Coast Lab, which is the one upstairs. So then if we swipe this, now we can control all of the levels of all the background music and all the different sources that are in there. So this is for the media player. We have different sound effects playing in different parts of the building, so it works with the zones. So this is where we control all the volumes for all those different zones. You can see there's 15 different zones in this system. This here is the paging page, and right now this is, so at the moment this is nothing page. If we want to page anywhere, we can say page the admin, unmute it, and then it will be paging. Mute the mic again. If we want to page to all, this is going to page to all of the microphones, right, all of the zones throughout the building. And if we want to, we can page just to anywhere that we want to actually go. So could page to the back of house to just talk to all the staff. That's where you're going from there. And then, so this is the penguin zone. This is just the master unit for the penguin zone, and you can see that both the headset microphone's on and the background music's on, but nothing's playing. And here is where we select all the sources for each individual zone for the background music. So you can see some zones here have nothing selected, and others have media players selected. And yeah, so we've got a few different media players, so those are specific media players. So for example here we've got media player 4 is playing for the Kiwis, so that's a soundtrack just to make the Kiwi zone feel like a better experience, more cohesive experience. And up here we've got the play and stop controls for those media players. And that is the system.
So if you have complex audio and video requirements, you can trust that Audio Workshop has the experience to deliver.